Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about the ZoneAlarm Extreme Security NextGen. ZoneAlarm Extreme Security NextGen is a robust cybersecurity solution that offers advanced protection against malware, ransomware, and phishing attacks. With features like a two-way firewall, real-time threat detection, and mobile security, it ensures comprehensive safety for PC and mobile devices, making it ideal for individual users and small businesses. Now, let's take a look at some of its top features. Real-time antivirus enhanced. This feature provides continuous monitoring of files and programs, instantly detecting and neutralizing threats as they arise. By scanning every accessed file against a constantly updated database, it ensures immediate protection against emerging malware and cyber threats. Anti-ransomware enhanced. ZoneAlarm's anti-ransomware technology proactively identifies and blocks ransomware attacks. It automatically restores any affected files, ensuring that users can recover from potential data loss without manual intervention, thereby safeguarding critical information from malicious encryption. Anti-phishing. The anti-phishing feature scans URLs and emails in real time to detect fraudulent attempts to steal personal information. By blocking access to malicious sites and alerting users to potential scams, it protects sensitive data during online transactions and communications. Advanced Firewall. ZoneAlarm's advanced firewall acts as a barrier against unauthorized access, monitoring both inbound and outbound traffic. This proactive defense prevents hackers from exploiting vulnerabilities, ensuring that sensitive information remains secure while users browse the internet. Threat emulation. This feature executes suspicious files in a virtual environment to analyze their behavior before they can cause harm. By identifying potential threats before they infiltrate the system, it enhances overall security by preventing zero-day attacks. Mobile security. ZoneAlarm's mobile security offers comprehensive protection for Android and iOS devices against malware and cyber attacks. With enterprise-grade technology, it secures personal data and sensitive information, allowing users to navigate the digital landscape confidently. Now, when it comes to user experience, Trustpilot reviews for ZoneAlarm reveal mixed experiences. Users praise its effective security features and advanced firewall, but report performance issues and inconsistent customer support. While many feel safer online, concerns about slowdowns and support delays may deter potential users. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. Resource intensive. ZoneAlarm Extreme Security NextGen can be resource-intensive, potentially slowing down system performance during scans or updates. Users with older hardware may experience noticeable lag, which can hinder productivity and overall user experience. Complex configuration. The software may require complex configuration settings for optimal performance. New users might find the interface overwhelming, leading to improper setup and reduced effectiveness. This complexity can deter less tech-savvy individuals from utilizing all available features. Limited customer support. Some users report limited customer support options, particularly during peak hours or for non-premium subscribers. Delays in response times can be frustrating, leaving users without timely assistance when facing urgent security issues or technical difficulties. In conclusion, ZoneAlarm Extreme Security NextGen offers robust protection against various cyber threats, making it a solid choice for users seeking comprehensive security. However, potential drawbacks such as resource intensity, complex configuration, and limited customer support should be considered to ensure it meets individual needs and expectations. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.